Oh. Midweek ride out! We are on our way over to Hangar 24 where Donnie Sosa, California Dual Sport Riders, and Hangar 24 are doing their Wednesday night hot laps. So we're gonna go and ride with them, see what they're up to. And hopefully it's a good time. Got good old Brian Spillwell here with us, out on the Bagheera. Stupid neutral. Never when I want it.
Man, I pray so long that I get up out this home and I make it to the top all on my own. But why does it feel so wrong? Man, I've been feeling all alone and everything around me been moving slow. I've been waking up in sweats, I'm having visions of death. I used to never have worries, but now I'm having regrets. I ain't never ever sleeping, I'm never getting no rest. I want myself after death, so y'all remain unimpressed. What the heck?
Popping Xanax for the stress, I got a lot on my chest. Sometimes I think about death and realize I'm really blessed. So I guess I can't complain, anxiety on my brain. Until you walk in my shoes, don't tell me you feel my pain. Don't tell me you could relate, cause trust me, nobody can. The people who used to hate is not claiming they was my man. Success is part of the plan, and you just ain't in the picture. Spill my thoughts when sipping liquor, call my exes like I miss them. Reminiscing of the past, when all was good with no problems. Before the bills even mattered, I talked to Hillary.
Been out here so many times. I had no idea that this little gym was right here. It's freaking amazing. It's really hard to judge like my overall progression on riding because I'm always riding with the same guys and we all ride about the same amount, so we're all progressively getting better. So it's kind of cool to come out here. Oh, I can't see anything. And ride with a new batch of guys and see how I'm doing, because I rode with these guys one time last year and I was literally in the back, like practically holding hands with the sweep the whole freaking time. So I feel pretty good about that. You know, it's only been a little over a year now of focusing on dirt and I feel a little progress. But then reality comes slamming back into me and some impossible feat comes and knocks me over, and or some silly little slide on some silly little flat forest road turn. There's like 10 guys. Good luck, buddy. I'd roll your window up. Oh my god. I cannot see anything past this guy's bike. Nope, not a thing. Maybe a freaking elephant in front of me, I wouldn't be able to tell you. Holy f, that was a huge freaking rut. Everything's falling over. Are you still under it? You're good. Sorry, we can pull your back tire out this way. Ready? Go. You got it? Okay, hold on. Ugh. Ugh. All right. You're welcome. Wow, that's a lot of water right there. That doesn't count! Oh. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. Are you?
Yeah. I didn't mean to crowd you. I thought you were going to be able to float right through that.
Oh, the tire got freaking stopped. I was like, oh,
Pretty fun ride.